Hi guys, the other day I set up one of my security cameras to monitor my solar rockers through the night. Those two on the left run on supercapacitors, so they keep going through the night, and we wanted to know how long they kept going. And by using a security camera, which has an infrared array on it, we were able to watch them through the night in the dark. Now, it wasn't this security camera, it was one of these ones, Kalex, and it worked absolutely fine. The Kalex have replaced my Clever Dog security cameras, so these are spare. And it occurred to me that I could try using one of these instead, because it's spare. So I made up this bracket for it, which was a cut down version of that bracket, of that Clever Dog that monitors the back garden or the back door. And when I'd printed that one, I made the actual hole on the front of it. Getting that one off there with one hand. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Right, made the hole on the front of it just big enough for the camera. Because I didn't want the infrared array going. When you've got the camera up against the window there, if the infrared array comes on, it reflects straight back off the glass, so you can't see anything. So I didn't need the infrared array. And I forgot about that when I printed this one off, because I did want the infrared array, and the infrared array is hidden. So I was going to reprint it and make the hole bigger, and then I thought, I don't need the top end of that at all. So I've just chopped the top off. I could have just chopped the top off that one quite literally, but I thought I'd reprint it, mainly because I'm having problems with the printer at the moment, and it was a good exercise to print it again. Anyway, that will just sit straight in there like that. My plan is to put a rubber band around it just to stop it dropping off, and then that, just push that little bit out of the way. That should be able to fit in there. Can't do it with one hand. Yes, I can. There we go. So that will fit in there, but I'll put a rubber band around it just to make sure it doesn't drop off. But we don't have the infrared array obstructed anymore. Yeah, I hope that all made sense. Yeah, I'm having problems with the printer at the moment. I don't know if you can see there's lines along the edge of there. Can we go in? Focus? Yeah. It's not right at the moment. I think it's because I'm using some filament that I haven't used before. I thought it was because the filament was damp, but that was yellow filament. I've changed it for orange filament from the same manufacturer, and I've still got the same problem. And that's fresh out the bag that was sealed with the dehumidifier stuff inside it. So I think it's a setting on the printer, not the filament itself. This one, I turned the heat up. It was on 200. I've turned it up to 220, and it does seem to have done better. It's not perfect, but it's done better. So we will see. Right, that's the camera recording infrared. It's still daylight, but at the moment it's recording with the infrared. So I can see it's working fine. One reason I'm not so keen on the Clever Dog stuff is they've now started putting adverts on the screen, which I will edit out. But that's very annoying. Just for comparison, that's normal daylight. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.